We were trying to figure out how many people are in the room, and the room consists of only associate professors and assistant. So let's let the number of associate professors be X and the number of assistant professors be Y. So each associate has 2 pencils. So if I calculate the number of pencils, be 2 pencils, 2 times X for associates, plus 1 times Y for assistant, to give me a total of 10. And then we have charts, and let's calculate the total number of charts. Well, 1 per associate, so 1X plus 2Y equals a total of 11. So I've got 2X plus Y equal 10. X plus 2Y equals 11. Let's take that top equation and solve for Y. Y equals 10 minus 2X. I subtracted 2X from both sides. And let's take this expression for Y and plug it in there. This is called substitution method. You could also do elimination, but I thought this might be faster. So that's going to be X plus 2 times Y, and another name for Y is 10 minus 2X equals 11. That's X plus 20 minus 4X equals 11. That's negative 3X equals negative 9. X equals 3. So I've got 3 associates. Now take that 3 and plug it back in either this one or this one. It doesn't, well, I guess it'd be maybe faster. Just plug it in here. So that would be Y equals 10 minus 2 times 3. That's Y equals 10 minus 6. Y equals 4. So 4 plus 3 is 7. Is that one of our answers? Yes.